how to view sensitive content on Twitter on your iPhone. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now, if you were to go to the settings, I believe, and then settings and privacy, then for most devices like on Android, I believe, it should show up in privacy and safety. But on iPhone, for some reason, it simply just does not. So that is quite weird, but in order to actually enable the sensitive content, you would have to enable this in the Twitter on browser. So if you search for Twitter and then click on it, it usually just opens up Twitter app or the Twitter app. What you need to do is long hold this and then simply just click on open, and then it will actually open. So here you have to log into your Twitter account, which I'm going to do real quick. Now, once you are logged into your account, you want to click on the top left on your profile picture, and then basically do the same thing like I just showed. So if you go to settings and privacy, and then I believe to privacy and safety, then right here you can see content you see. And here it says at the top, display media that may contain sensitive content. So that is exactly what you want to enable. And like I said, if I were to go there over here, privacy and safety, and then content you see, then as you can see, it's just not here, but here it is. So yeah, that's how you can do it. That's how you can view or enable the view sensitive content on Twitter on your iPhone. I hope this pretty quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.